Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the clip where you want emoji. Make sure audio is audible and the timeline scrubber is positioned at the insertion point. Next, tap stickers or the emoji icon. If you prefer system emojis, use your keyboard panel and paste. Once added, drag the emoji layer onto a new track and align its start time to the beat or action. This avoids later timing fixes and sets a precise baseline for animation and effects. Once your emoji sits on the timeline, animate it with keyframes. Set position and scale at the first frame, then add another keyframe where you want movement to stop. This creates smooth motion. Make sure to adjust rotation and opacity for punch or subtlety, and apply color filters so the emoji matches your scene lighting. If you use several emoji, group them or nest inside a sticker clip so you can edit timing and effects in one pass, saving time and ensuring sync. To finish, preview the sequence at export resolution and play the full clip to confirm timing, alignment, and motion feel. Export a short 720p test if you need faster checks. If emoji flicker or vanish, make sure the layer order isn't behind overlays, review opacity keyframes, and try a different export codec. When motion feels off, reposition the anchor point or tighten keyframe spacing. These fixes correct pivot errors and give the emoji believable movement without redoing the whole edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.